Okay, this is Angel Falls. I think it's called the Covell Creek. There's Tower Rock, I think, is right up here. And Cobar with this backpack. Let's go. We're on our way down. Let's go. Keep going. You're good. You're good, you're good. Okay, maybe we should. Okay. Ooh, this is kind of scary, huh? Let's get you up. Let's gear you up. Are you okay? I think you're good. Woo! Look at this. Walking under waterfalls. Mommy's gonna be like, "Oh my God, dude! Keep on the trail. Keep on the trail." Up and over. Yep, up and over that way. You got it. All right. Good job. Whew. Mountaineering Cobar. Check that shit out. I didn't expect this at all. Wow. And you almost gave up, dude. You wanted to go. This was worth it, huh? All right, now on our... Nope, we're not going to go off there. Let's go this way. Come on. All right. Oh. Is it dog poo? We're going to smell dog poo. You probably found a hunk of dog poo. That's awesome. This was definitely worth the hour drive from our campsite. Okay, let's go this way. We're on our way down now. We're making a loop and we're going down. Yeah. Come on. Let's go. All right, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah, mountain climbing dog. Mountain climbing dog. Nope. Up this way. There you go. All right. Keep going. Okay, keep going this way. Oh, watch where you're going, dude. Keep going. Keep going. Whew. Sorry if I'm filming shitty. I gotta keep an eye on him. All right, keep going. Keep going. We're gonna be on our way down. Whew. Oh. I'm gonna pause it for a sec to consult my map. Okay, come on, let's go. Keep going. We're both pretty tired. Oh, this was some serious elevation gain. On top of we're in high elevation already. Oh, keep going. We're gonna meet up with another trail and then start heading down. Keep going. Oh. Keep going. Holy shit. Oh, I'm burning some fucking calories. Okay. Holy moly. You're good. Oh. Oh my God. More? Okay, I'm gonna stop it.